Hi, excuse me. I'm visiting this city for the first time and I a bit lost. Could you help me, please? Welcome to our city. Do you want to go? Thanks. Like I'm looking for the city museum. Is the close by? Yes, it's pretty close. It's on Liberty Street, just next to the public library. Great, and is there a back near the museum? I need to wake some cats. Yes, there one right opposite the museum. Just cross the street and you'll see it. Awesome. And how do I get to the museum from here? Go straight ahead for two blocks, then turn left at the traffic light. You'll pass a supermarket and the library is right there. Sound easy. Are there any good places to eat around there? I'm starving. Yes, there are some nice restaurants near the library. There also a cozy cafe between the library and a flower shop. Perfect. Is there a restaurant in the cafe? Yes, you can use the one each child is killing and free for customer. By the way, I also need to buy some medicine. Is there a pharmacy cool? Yes, there one at the corner of Liberty Street and Central Avenue. Amazing. Last question. Where can I buy souvenir? You'll find some behind the chair and many more in the park during the weekend market. Thanks so much. You'll be incredibly helpful. No problem. Enjoy your time in city and don't miss the old train station. I will take care.